Hold up.
I hope you're having a great day and I hope you're staying safe at home. Today we're going to go over something simple, a simple process when we start to fail at achieving our goals. Everyone out there right now has some goal or the other. You may have a relationship goal, you may have a weight loss goal, you may have recovering from a disease goal, you may have a personal growth goal where you're trying to learn a new skill. If you're in university or in school, you may have an exam goal or whatever it is. All of us have goals. We may have a day-to-day goal as well, just to improve ourselves or some aspect in our life. But why do most people fail at goals, at achieving their goals? Why? It's not the lack of motivation, it's not the lack of inspiration. It's the ability to continue with consistency and discipline. Today, I'm going to go over 4 points that you need to keep in mind while you are making a goal. Whatever that goal is. You may just be the happiest person right now and you want to keep your life happy and joyful. So that's a goal as well. How do you plan that? It's as simple as this. So if you have a paper and pen, you can write down these 4 steps right now. Let's use the most common example of I want to lose weight. Okay, because that's what most of our queries are for. I want to lose weight. Okay, so number 1, what is your goal? I want to lose weight the healthy way and keep it off. Okay, now that's a decent goal to make. You're very clear about what you want. You want to lose weight and you want to keep it off. Okay, so number 1, what is your goal? Number 2, why do you want to achieve this goal? It is so important for you to understand why you want to achieve this goal. And whatever the reason is, maybe you just want to look good. Maybe you want to feel better. Maybe you want to fit into your clothes. Maybe you have an upcoming wedding or a party that you want to attend 1 month down the line and you want to look the best. Whatever the goal is, whatever the why is, write it down. It could be, I want to lose weight so I don't get diabetes. I want to lose weight so that I can age gracefully. I want to lose weight so I can look after my knees and my spine and look good. Whatever it is, write down your why. So you've written down your what is the goal, why you want to achieve that goal. Now the third point is, how would you feel when you achieve that goal? You've not yet achieved it, but you should know how you're going to feel. You're going to feel happy, you're going to wear nice clothes, you're going to up your training, your self-confidence may go up, your self-esteem may go up, whatever it is. How will you feel when you achieve a goal? Let's say it's not a health goal and it's a financial goal. Like you have a number that you want $1 million that you want to earn. Okay, you've written what? The goal is $1 million. Why? Why do you want to have $1 million? I want to show off, I want to buy a car, I want to secure my family, whatever it is. Negative, positive, that's up to you, but you should know the why. Then the next point is, how will you feel when you make that $1 million? How will you feel when you have that $1 million in your account? So you add the feeling to it. The fourth point is, and this is where most people fail, what is the smallest thing that you need to do every day to start off to achieve this goal? The smallest thing. You see the problem why people fail? They start with all the big things first and they run out of steam, they run out of discipline, they run out of the ability to stay consistent. In your plan that we're making today, these 4 points, what is the smallest thing or the smallest action that you need to take to start this? So let's go back to the weight loss goal. The smallest thing could be, let me stop sugar for today. Let me do a 30-minute walk. Small. Forget about tomorrow. Forget about your weekly goal. Forget about your monthly goal. We're not doing goal setting at that level. We are taking the smallest wins that you can achieve, the smallest accomplishments that you can achieve on a day-to-day basis. And that makes your first plan towards achieving your goal. The smallest thing. Let's say I wanna write an article, which I'm supposed to write an article of 5,000 words. Okay? What article am I writing? Okay, why am I writing this? Because I'm getting paid for it, I'm earning money, I just want to write, I just want to become an author. Okay, number 3, how will I feel when the article is written? Number 4, what's the smallest way to start? Can I start off by writing 500 words today? If I feel that's too big, maybe I can write 250 words. But the smallest action point, the smallest win that will move you into action is what you need to put into this plan. And then you do it. And then tomorrow you do it again. Tomorrow you add something else to your action plan. Like I said, most people fail. They want to lose 15 kilos in 2 months, okay? But they're not willing to put in the work or the action. Number one, that's an unhealthy target to have. Number two, are you willing to commit to the process? So again, I'm going to repeat it. Whatever you're trying to achieve, I want to make my relationship better, more meaningful. So what? I want to make my relationship better, more meaningful. Okay? Two, okay? Why? Because I want to feel loved. I want to give love. I want to feel appreciated. I want to make the maximum use of companionship. Okay? Number three, how will I feel when that happens? Wow, I'll feel really nice. There's more peace. There's more joy in my life. Four, what's the smallest thing I can do to start that process today? The smallest thing. Can I say a kind word? Can I find 1 or 2 things to appreciate in the person that I'm trying to build a relationship with? Can I start offering a little bit of gratitude? Can I start, maybe exercising to feel good about myself? Build a body if that's what's important for my relationship to work. The smallest things. Now only you can do this. You have to be clear about this. A coach can help you with it, but only you can be as clear as to why you want something or what you want something. So now take any part in your life where you're struggling right now and break it down with these 4 simple steps. I guarantee you your life will change, because most people are trying to take the big wins. Oh, let me go sign up for that gym membership. Go and buy the most expensive workout shoes. Go and buy my whole workout wardrobe. They'll use it for 2 to 3 days. No. Those are the bigger parts. Start with the small win, okay? The smallest win. Let me go outside for a 30-minute walk. Let me do a couple of push-ups. Let me do a couple of pull-ups. Okay, let me get 1 meal out of 3 meals right if I'm eating 3 meals a day. Let me get just 1 meal right. I'm trying to sleep on time, okay? Let me try to reduce from 11 o'clock to maybe 10:45. Small win. Maybe then from 10:45 to 10:30. Small win. But everyone wants everything too quickly, and that's why we fail. Instant gratification. We want things immediately, but we're not willing to put in the effort. So when you aim for small wins every day, it's a concept I like to call as SWE, small wins every day. Okay, you become disciplined, you become consistent, you enjoy the process, you commit to the process, and you finally achieve what is at the end of the process. So break down your life into any little thing and start this little exercise, because I know people today who try to do everything and they never achieve their goal. Okay, and I know people who take it 1 day at a time. Some people half a day at a time. Some people 1 hour at a time. That's up to you. But they're accumulating these little wins. Okay, at the end of today, okay, my goal was weight loss. I needed to do a 30-minute walk. I did 15 minutes. At least I did 15 minutes. Small win. Unlike the person who says, oh, I couldn't even do 30 minutes on the first day. Forget this program. It's not going to work for me. You throw it out of the window. That's when we fail. So break it down. You couldn't do 30 minutes. That's okay. Start off with 10 minutes. Tomorrow make it 12. Then make it 15. You are still on the path of achieving your goal rather than giving up completely. You're still going to have success by taking small wins every single day. So any part of your life, even if it's a disease, okay? Unfortunately, you have cancer or some deadly disease. Understand, go through the emotion. Now, what are the small wins that you can achieve every day? Everyone's already trying for the big win. I don't want to get my cancer back ever again. First, get the cancer into remission. Okay, there's always a process. I don't want to get my second heart attack. Okay, start on the small little things. What caused my first heart attack? What do I need to change? Take that one little change and make it day by day. And you will get success in every aspect of your life. Because if you're trying to get everything together, some people do. You can call it luck, or they have committed to the process to put in all that work and that effort, and they deserve it. For other people, you may want to break it down into small little wins every single day. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time, eat smart, move more, sleep right, and breathe deep. And remember, you care is all about you.